the new iPhone 12 Pro. It starts at $999 at 128 gigabytes and is available in silver, graphite, gold, and Pacific Blue. Today I'll be unboxing silver and trying it on cases. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe to see more reviews on it, including features, comparisons, and speed tests. Let's open it. I absolutely love the updated edges. When I first saw the rounded edges of the iPhone 6, it reminded me of a Samsung phone, which isn't bad, but this to me is more Apple, reminiscent of the iPhone 4. 12 Pro has stainless steel edges compared to the regular 12's aluminum. I had to choose silver to match my Apple Watch. The new LiDAR sensor fits in with everything else in the square, like a cute little mole. The screen is now what they call ceramic shield, which is supposed to be a stronger crystal compared to last year's glass. We'll see about that. So far I'm noticing the screen is a bit bigger, more on the longer side, so I don't know if that's a good thing for me. This part here is for the 5mm wave for here in the US. Ran a quick Geekbench test here comparing my 12 Pro to the 11 Pro to get a feel of the processor's performance. Everything else appears the same, from the infamous notch to the triple camera design, speakers, and frosted glass back. Can't wait to test out the camera on this. Here's a sample of the portrait mode with advantage of the LiDAR sensor, which also makes for better AR functionalities. I'll also be testing the supposedly better ultra wide, dark mode, and everything else. The iPhone Pro Max is supposed to be where the biggest improvements are, but I personally can't have a phone that big. Hey, I'll try it out and test it out anyway. I might end up getting used to it. First up is the clear case. Put this here. And get you to clear case. There it is. I think it looks good. I'd give it a 9 out of 10. I just don't like how it looks up front. It just looks like a plastic frame around it, which to me looks really cheap, but I know it's not a cheap frame. I mean, like, it looks really good in the back, but the thing is, I'll be looking at the front a lot more. I don't know how I feel about this. So because of the NFC, it actually senses it right before I insert the case. It knows it's a white case. So now it's covering the whole thing instead of not covering the bottom, which happened before iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Like, all the cases didn't cover the bottom on my 11 Pro. Again, the clear one does not cover the bottom of the iPhone. I like the aesthetic of not covering the bottom. I was very responsible with my phone. I don't know if I like that frame there, that off-white frame. The front looks better. It doesn't look too as cheap as the clear. I give this case a 9 out of 10 again. Now we use black. I don't know if they sensed it. Maybe it did earlier and I didn't notice. I like that. There it is with the white. Not bad. Has contrast. I'm sure the graphite would look a lot sleeker, but I still like it. A little bit of the stainless steel color shows through the case, which is interesting. I actually like that touch. That's pretty much it for now. Subscribe to the bell icon so you don't miss all that, and use the comment section for features you'd like to see. Give this a like if it helps. Thanks for watching.